P0304 doesn't always mean an expensive repair. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the two fixes that solve most P0304 misfires. First the spark plug, then the ignition coil. Stay with me until the end to avoid replacing the wrong part. If you are dealing with a P0304 error code, this video will show you two practical ways to fix it at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and check the code. This code indicates that cylinder number 4 is experiencing misfires. There are two simple DIY solutions you can try to solve this problem, starting with Method A, the spark plug. The spark plugs are located at the engine end of the wires under their protective plug covers. First, carefully remove the spark plug from its housing. Grab your spark plug gapper to check the gap spacing. Typically, the proper measurement should fall between 0.024 and 0.071 inches. As you can see, the gap on this plug is a bit too narrow, so use the gapper tool to carefully widen it back into the normal range. However, if you spot any obvious physical damage, cracks, or heavy wear on the spark plug, skip the adjustment and simply replace it with a brand new one. Method B, the ignition coil. Ignition coils are typically mounted directly on the cylinder head, right above each spark plug. First, carefully remove the ignition coil from the engine, then check it closely to see if it is stained or damaged. If the ignition coil is simply covered in engine oil or grime, you can easily clean it up using a cleaner like WD-40. However, if the coil is physically damaged, go ahead and replace it with a brand new one. Here are two of the most practical solutions to fix the P0304 error code. After the repair, you can use the Zeus app to clear the error code and tap the rescan button once more to ensure everything is working properly with your vehicle. If this video helped you fix your P0304 engine code, hit the like button, subscribe to Engine Clinic, and turn on notifications. Check the description for more OBD2 repair guides, and I'll see you in the next video.